in southeast Queensland today, located in the foothills of the Noosa Hinterland. We're enjoying the subtropical climate, and we're in a suburb called Doonan, which is located close to all the Noosa amenities, and yet we're enjoying our rural lifestyle. I'm Trevor Reitsma from Reitsma and Associates. I'm the founder and principal of Reitsma and Associates.
I'm Isaac Stutt, and I was the lead designer of this project, Vallee Residence.
The client's brief to us was to create a home that maximised the site's true potential to unlock the north-facing views, to partake of the golf course, which was something quite unique. Also, the home was to be a single-level home, so that it wasn't precluding any members. It was easy for livability, and just the flow of the house was always going to be functional to facilitate just an easy, relaxed lifestyle.
The site's unique in the fact that it's elevated. It's also super wide with contours that are falling down towards the golf course. This allowed us to stretch the house across the contour, allowing every room to have access to that northern aspect and views across the golf course.
I think the unique aspect about the site is a sense of occasion and arrival that's not fully revealed as soon as you pull in the driveway. It soon becomes more apparent as you approach the house. The house, on initial acquaintance, is almost a little bit guarded, but that's deliberate. It brings you to a central point. The house, being linear too on this unique site, opens to an incredible view.
The home splits into two wings from the entry, the private master suite to the left and the public living space and guest rooms to the right, each carefully arranged to enhance natural flow and connection to the landscape. The use of concrete allows us to have large cantilevers and exaggerated open spaces, which allows us to connect seamlessly with the landscape.
The material palette is simplistic in one sense, yet very carefully thought through. The owners and the builder were on board from the start with concrete, and we used board form concrete on the ceilings and soffites. And part of the joy of this product is how it ages over time, that with a little bit of wear on it, rain and exposure, to us it becomes a little bit more magic. And in a similar fashion, the timbered doors, with time, they'll grey off. And that's not to be something to be ashamed of, but rather embraced, as though this is a home for living. It's not something that's just overly formal. Gabriel Paul had said, good clients get good houses. And what he meant by that, I believe, is that they trust you. And I believe for Isaac and I, when we worked with the clients here, we had their full trust. Another way we put it sometimes is, it felt like we had a long leash, so we could do everything that we had believed was possible for the site and would get them the result they were desiring.